So this is a sorting out day. See, I've been doing my stick insects. Look at these bad boys. And these are Javonica hissing cockroaches. I didn't realise I actually had this many. They've been going crazy. I put a carrot in earlier. And they've been going absolutely nuts. There we go, there's a freshly moulted one, look. Just starting to dry out and get his colour in, if you can see that. Wow, they're very pretty. We're selling these soon. I don't really think I'm going to have much choice, I'm going to have to sell them. Wow. There's a lot of roaches, man. Cheerio, chaps.